This is kind of fun. I always like to tell my students that I can make objects go through each other, right? So I'm going to send a slow glider into this tunnel. Fast one can go right through it, see? Here comes that slow one, right? Here goes a slow one into the tunnel. Fast one goes right through the slow one, right? You can even do this head on. A little harder. There's a slow one, there's a fast one. Fast one goes through. Here goes a slow one. Of course, the box has nothing to do with it. Right? So the general rule, these have the same mass. This is an elastic collision, and so they trade velocities. These are reversible too. Like if you saw the movie backwards, you couldn't tell the difference, right? And it works even if they're both moving. Right? They just trade velocities. That way, momentum and energy are conserved. Even head on. Now, if they have different masses, you've got to be clever. There is actually a clever way to solve it with phase space using Desmos.